Hi everyone! If you've been struggling with media upload issues on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Sometimes, new updates can cause bugs. Reverting to an old version can help fix the issue. Here's how you do it. Find the Snapchat app on your phone. Long press on the Snapchat app. This will bring up some options. Look for delete or uninstall and tap it. Confirm that you want to remove the Snapchat from your device. After doing so, install the older version of Snapchat. Head to a trusted source like an APK site for Android to download and install an older version of Snapchat. For iPhone users, this may require using iTunes or accessing older backups. Clearing the cache can fix issues related to media uploads by removing temporary files. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the privacy controls section. Tap on clear data. Choose clear all cache. Tap clear to confirm and free up storage space. Restart Snapchat after clearing the cache to refresh the app. That's it. By following these steps, you'll clear out unnecessary data from Snapchat, which can help improve performance and fix potential upload issues.